you feel the energy? You're gonna have a wonderful day now. Hey, it's for the memories. It's for the memories. Did you guys take your underwear? No. Are you filming those things? Yeah. And you got a YouTube channel? Yeah. It's called Georgia Pranksters.
You get me.
Man, she was gonna push you in the street into a car, man. What the hell? He's trying to kill you. He knew, and he didn't protect you. Oh, you need to take your underwear, bro. Are you guys having a wonderful day?
I need to take a picture of you. Yeah, she fell for it again.
I know. No, he pushed you into it.
I would do that.
Would you be okay if I took a picture with you and my mom?
Oh yeah, I'll get a.
Oh, we like the fact that you look like a bush.
I just told my other son in Tennessee that I'm scared by a bush.
I got her. Big smile.
It's the biggest smile I have.
That's pretty good.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Yeah, Mark can tell you you're lying.
He says, a bush scared me.
You guys will be on YouTube and TikTok. Georgia Pranksters. Subscribe to the channel.
Is that what it is? Okay, cool.
Georgia Pranksters.
All right. See you tomorrow. Thank you. There you go. We'll send that to Mark.
You guys, I'm so sorry. I'll get you next time. Georgia Pranksters, YouTube and TikTok. Now you're gonna have a wonderful day. Can you feel that energy? Can you feel it?
I feel warm now, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Georgia Pranksters, TikTok and YouTube. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
Oh, that's what?
Oh my gosh.
I think you got more scared. Georgia Pranksters, YouTube and TikTok.
We can't go in here. Jesus Christ.
Do you feel the energy? Now you're going to have a wonderful day. You see?
Warm me up.
That's right.
Good one.
Georgia Pranksters, YouTube and TikTok. You really got scared, bro.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, not me.
TikTok, Georgia Pranksters. You're welcome. You're gonna have a wonderful day now. You guys feel the energy inside of you?
Yeah. Oh my god!
Georgia Pranksters, TikTok and YouTube. Videos will be uploaded in 2 days.
Oh, you scared me. I knew you were here too. You drove by and watched you do it to
Oh,
somebody
somebody
else.
there. Yeah. Still see somebody.
This is called dedication. Georgia Pranksters.
I'm totally standing here on purpose.
You feel the energy? You're gonna have a wonderful day now.
I just woke up. I heard all these people laughing the whole time.
We knew he was there too. That's the best part.
I got you.
Is this some trusting person with a phone out? Recording?
How's things go?
You guys feel the energy? You're gonna have a wonderful day now.
Let's go.
Jesus
Hey,
Christ.
you gotta take your underwear for real.